Hey, my name is Nikki. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily paint this autumn wreath with watercolors. I'm using 140-pound watercolor paper. I also have a paper towel to hand to drip my brush, and I use my Schminke watercolors and my Craftimo round brush in size 8. At first, I use a pencil and draw a big circle as a guideline. Then I erase it a bit. And then I start mixing my colors. I use some orange mixed with brown, red that I also mix with a bit of brown and orange, some olive green and some brown tones. For my first leaf, I water my red mixture a bit down and start painting single leaves with just 2 or 3 simple brush strokes. I always place one on the inside and one on the outside of my circle. And because the paint has already started to dry, I directly add some details with a more opaque version of my red mixture. Just a stroke in the middle of each leaf and some veins. Then I take some dark brown and go in wonky lines all around the circle. And then I add some small branches. With some orange, I paint in the next type of leaf. This time I make shorter strokes, more with the side of the brush. As long as the color is still wet, I add some olive green to the bottom of each leaf. With olive green, I add another type of leaf. This time I first paint a stroke and add a leaf at the top and a few leaves on each side. At one part, I painted a leaf instead of a stroke, so I decided to add here and there a few single leaves in the same color. And then I go on as I did before. Then I add some brown to my olive green and paint in some details. I come back again to my first color mixture to paint in some more single leaves here and there. With dark brown, I add some little branches. I take an opaque version of my red mixture and paint in some berries. I add just a few more details for my orange leaves and a little more depth to my branches. And that's it! The autumn wreath painting is finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!